needs one immediately at the back eye. Wow.
No.
Okay, I think he's done. Okay, let's get him a treat.
Type some?
Yep.
Okay.
We get treats for eating, to take care of it.
Don't tell Mom that we don't do candy.
No? Can I go home? Next person.
Oh. I'm gonna come back. There, now something got hurt. Another stuffing got hurt.
Okay, not something animal. You take care of that animal, I take care of this one. Off the bottom.
Okay, and I'm care of this one. Okay. This snowflake one is so brave.
Okay. The aqua it probably sounds kind of good.
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
And it's okay. Wait, where did he go? Where is it? Oh, show it. You put this on your white hair one. Right over here.
Monday.
Okay. Get her pen, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can you help me? Can you help?
You can do it yourself. You're a doctor.
No, I can't. I cannot sit. Can you help?
Just hold it like this.
Oh. Okay.
Doctor. Okay. You're the doctor. You're ready, and let's give you a snack. You're not a doctor. Okay. Back home and come.
Okay, we're going to do this. It's ducking. Take your knees. She got Spencer. No, she got one Spencer. So I can get her a song.
It's her.
And
She ate too much carrot. So she got some egg.
so she get a candy. So she get candy. We should put it away though. Here you go.
Then let's
Here you go.
here.
Hello.
Okay. Now check
She lick it.
your heartbeat.
She eat it all.
Oh. Let's check.
Oh, she didn't know. She didn't know. Easy.
Okay, I think one is very liquidy, so I'm gonna pull it out. Okay. Ready?
Your mouth is dirty.
Okay, I'm going to take out a teeth. Okay.
Bye.
Got it.
And this one coming.
Put it.
Next one.
Okay.
Did you do this one?
One.
Sister, did you do this one?
No.
Did you
Bye-bye.
do? So, she got
You
No.
again. Okay.
no.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I did it on accident.
It's okay. You can get you can get the tape, but you can get the tape and you fix it and you do this. Okay?
We could. Where is it though? Oh, I see it.
Okay. Let me put your
Let's not use it anymore, okay?
Why?
Because we're going to fix it later, okay?
Then check your hockey. Boom, boom.
And get the ice pack. Okay, so
That's the iPad.
So there you some desert.
And
Okay. Okay, you're good. Go in the ocean.
I can get you
Yeah.
okay. Good. Okay.
So for you.
Your mouth.
Hi, what happened? Okay. So I take
iPad.
this. This was thick.
Bye.
So let's give
I
it
can
some.
do this one.
So let's give
You okay? Whoa. Okay. So iPad. What? Now the
And now, y'all.
this. This for you. Okay.
Okay, you're done. Go to the forest.
It's 19.
19.
Yeah. So get her. So let me do your knee. Can you give me this sock, doctor?
Yes.
Thanks. Also, pretend she's scary, okay? Okay. Pretend you help her. And she says, but it's making you scary. But I will give you golden pen and get salt.
Yeah.
Now get a Bentley. Doc can give me Bentley. Oh, golden. He'll go to your Bentley. And I can give you candy.
Go back to the forest.
Oh, go back. And now it's your
Go
turn.
back to the jungle. So
Okay. Stop. And your mouth. Your hobby business. And your iPad. And your and this.
are you done yet?
You 16. So, open your mouth. And give you Benny. Oops. And give me the tutorial.
Oh. Medicine.
Medicine. Choose. Then you can go back to
the jungle.
Go back to the jungle. And that was too much stuff.
Love, kiss, and peace out.